Hello, and welcome back to Nomadic Wandering Star. As you can see behind me, we got a lot of desert. And what it is this is Topak. Well, we're just north of Topak by about 2 or 3 miles. And it's really dry and dusty. But out here we have the rest of the desert. Real pretty. Oh, really pretty actually. We got a lot of green. This is on Route 66. And if you go north, that way, about 8-10 miles, you run into Oatman. Here's our rig. You know, and everybody wonders why BLM's having a little bit of trouble. And let me show you one of the reasons. We were here in March, and that was here in March, and they've been living here, and now they're piling crap up around it. And yeah, I don't know why it's not been enforced and why they're still here, but that's the way it is. And not many criminals around. Critters. But every once in a while you hear a donkey bay out here. Not much of a video, more of a deal with that stuff right there than anything. Right on 66, you know, it is what it is. But hey, thanks for watching. If you get a chance to come up this way, definitely stop. Oatman's worth it, but I've heard right now they're BLM and the city are having a bit of a pissing contest about the donkeys, which you should be able to go into Oatman and feed the donkeys. At least we did. Beautiful mountains. But yeah, you know, pack it in, pack it out. I'd love to see a wrecker just pack them out, but you know, there ain't much you can do about it. Notify the authorities, but yeah, they won't do anything. Oh, excuse me. But anyway, way over there in the distance, that's California. But don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Like I said, short little video, but hey, sometimes they're the best ones. So take care. Give us a like, subscribe, everything I said before.